Unboxing the wine enthusiast Cocoon wine glass.
So here is the newest wine glass in our portfolio. We wanted to do something a little different than what you typically expect from a wine glass, with the focus specifically on developing wine's aromas even further. So here it is, the wine enthusiast Cocoon wine glass. And you can see the build is pretty unique. It has two chambers, a lower, wider one that helps make swirling just a little bit easier, and then a more narrow upper one that concentrates aromas as you swirl the wine glass. So here it is in action. There's the easy swirl that I was talking about, and the aroma. That idea of intensifying the aroma is inspired by the metamorphosis of a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. And if you think about that, the name Cocoon wine glass makes sense.